All right, we'll kickstart this edition with some breaking news just coming in. Prime Minister Narendra Modi confident of wins in South India. In an interview to Kannada Daily, Viksit Bharat is the agenda, says the Prime Minister. NDA will be back to power. Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas is our motto. We'll do better than expectation in South India. We'll win more seats across India. JDS and BJP alliance is good development. Funds to Karnataka have increased in the last 10 years or so. 7 Vande Bharat trains, 4,900 kilometers road laid, 5 airports made working, says Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi talks about BJP making significant gains in the southern part of our country. This in an interview to Kannada Daily. He says, Viksit Bharat is the agenda. NDA is going to be back to power. Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas is our motto. We'll do better than expectation in South India. We'll win more seats across India. JDS and BJP alliance is good, says the Prime Minister. Funds to Karnataka have increased in the last 10 years. 7 Vande Bharat trains, 4,900 kilometers road laid, 5 airports are functional, says Prime Minister Narendra Modi. India is going to be back to power, says Prime Minister Narendra Modi. We're confident of wins in South India. Speaking to a Kannada Daily, spoken about how the NDA is going to make significant gains in the southern part of the country. Anaga, this continues to be a worry for the BJP as far as inroads in the southern part of the country is concerned. And that's the reason why alliances and tie-ups with the JDS, for example, in Karnataka is going to help the party, says the Prime Minister.
Well, Sneha, that's the confidence that the Prime Minister is exuding. Even in Karnataka, we saw the Prime Minister and former Prime Minister Deve Gowda also share the same stage. There was a lot of camaraderie between them. Of course, Deve Gowda is a very senior leader in the entire country. The Prime Minister was there. He was acknowledging his presence, giving him all the due respect, sort of showing off a joint unity between the BJP and JDS. Sneha, even in the past, the BJP and JDS, have always, exchanged barbs, with each other, pointing out the amount of corruption that all their leaders have done. But today, both of them are hand in hand, showing a joint strength between between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and former Prime Minister H.D. Deve Gowda. And even in his interview, Sneha, the Prime Minister spoke about the kind of strength that JDS has put in, given the fact that they have 19 MLAs this time in Karnataka. So the Prime Minister says that with JDS, that is the regional party in Karnataka, we will be able to win the maximum number of seats, is what the Prime Minister is saying. He also spoke about a lot of developments that the BJP has carried out in Karnataka, right from releasing 7 Vande Bharats all in all in Karnataka, be it from Bangalore or from Hubli Dharwad. He pointed out the kind of development works that was done with respect to laying of roads. So this was the issues that was mainly focused by the Prime Minister. But apart from that, he also hit out at Congress, stating that, we should not give much importance to the kind of information or to the kind of misinformation that is being peddled by Congress.
Right.
And we should ignore it, is what the Prime Minister stated in his interview.
Thanking you for the moment, Anaga, getting us those details from Bengaluru as far as that interview of the Prime Minister to a Kannada Daily is concerned. We have, in fact, more news coming in. Let's go straight to these developments.